Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix packet loss, high ping, lag spikes in FragPunk. So it will be complete guide. I will show you all the steps that you need to take here from easiest to hardest to get the best results with all network issues on FragPunk. So without further ado, let's get started. What you need to do here first is to go to Test Manager. On Test Manager, go to Performance, press on the three dots here, Resource Monitor, then Network, and then here it will be all the tasks that requires your internet data. So close the apps that you don't use while you play the game, and then your issue should be basically it should help, right? On the processes and network activity here. So let's see, I don't use OBS, and then I just need to here and process, and it will be done. And then we can go with other steps. First of all, what I suggest do here is to test your internet speed. Go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you have good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe restart your router and maybe limit some devices on your network access. And always, if there is a possibility, always use router. Right? Next thing what you need to do here, you need to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And then here you need to write few commands. So the first one is ipconfig /flush DNS. ipconfig /flush DNS. And then nesh winsock reset. And after that, close this and restart your computer. Then what you need to do here is to go to settings, go to Windows Update, and if there is an update that you need to download and install it, please do so. Same thing with your GPU drivers. You just need to go to NVIDIA or other GPU that you have, depending on you. Go to drivers and install latest drivers on your GPU as well. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to open up a settings, then go to a network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. If you're using internet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do nothing. Then go to control panel, go to network and sharing center, then go to change adapter settings, right click on your internet connection, properties, double click on internet protocol version 4, and then use the following DNS server addresses. And on preferred DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server, write 8.8.4 and 0.4, and apply the changes, right? And look if the problem persists or not after you restart your computer here. Then what you need to do here, if this did not work, is to write on run, run, and then here you need to write gpedit.msc. Click on it, then new window will pop up, and then here you need to go to Windows settings, and then you need to right click on policy based QoS, and then advanced QoS settings, a DSCP marking override. Make sure to select control DCP marking requests, and then select ignore here. Then right click again, create new policy, write FragPunk, then here write 46, press next, then select only applications with this executable name, and then you just need to look for FragPunk exe file. So right click on it, go to properties, install files, browse. And then here, as you can see, there is a FragPunk exe file, and also the normal one should be here. Yeah, this one. And then you just need to look how it is written. So copy the path, we need this earlier. And then you just need to go to this, and you just need to write fragpunk.exe, press next. This is good. And then here, make sure TCP and UDP selected, and finish. And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then you just need to go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to a virus and threat protection, manage settings, exclusions, and here add an exclusion folder and paste the folder here. And then you just need to look for common, and then here you need to just select FragPunk. FragPunk should be here, select folder. And then you can close this. Then what you need to do here, you need to go to a Windows Defender firewall, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall, change settings, allow another app, browse. Paste the path again, add a FragPunk exe here. If you see this message, you're good to go. This means this is already added. Then allow another app, browse, add a FragNet client, and also allow another app, browse, go to FragPunk here and add this exe file as well. And yeah, look if the problem persists or not. Then try to install ExitLag. I will leave the link in the description so you can easily access it, and you should get with my link is 3 or 7 days completely for free without credit card details, and after that it will be 50% off. So I use this ExitLag software when I was with the shit internet, and basically it will find a best connection for you and your game, and with the lowest ping, lowest average jitter, no packet loss, and more. So you just need to install ExitLag, then go to search, look for the game, FragPunk, and then you just need to, as you can see here, apply routes, and it will find the best route for your connection. And yeah, that's basically it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.